In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front bumper on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located on the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, you should have a clip right here. Go ahead and pop that trim clip out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go down the front of the bumper, removing all of the bolts. And do the same thing on the other side. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt on the bottom corner of the bumper. All the way at the top, we have a 10mm bolt that we also have to remove. There's two plastic clips in between. Using a plastic trim tool, go ahead and pop those out. We're going to pull the trim back for our front bumper. To pull this trim back, you're going to kind of want to go back at an angle towards the tire. It's going to be the happiest way that those clips want to pop out. Pop it all the way out until you hit the bumper seam, and then you'll be good to go. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go onto the corner of our bumper. We're going to grab right at the corner, and we're going to pull out. When we do this, our clips are going to pop. Pull the bottom corner of the bumper off of the fender liner. Go and do the same process on the other side. Pop all of the clips off. Here on the right side, we're going to have one connector, and this is going to be the full connector for our bumper. Pop that safety clip out, and then we're going to be able to push on that tab and pull straight back and remove the connector. Remove the bumper. Pull the bumper over to the car and install the connector. Push that locking tab down into place. Get the bumper started on one corner and pull it around. Go around the whole bumper, clipping the clips into place. Install the top 10mm bolt. Install the two plastic clips. Install the 8mm bolt on bottom. Go to the other side and install the 8mm bolt, both plastic clips, and the 10mm. If you have a plastic clip, go ahead and install it right here. Install all of the bolts. Continue going down the line, installing all of the bolts for the bumper. Continue down the line, doing the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.